20th century. Over the next 7 days, MAMI will showcase more than 50 films from around the world and provide a platform for interaction between filmmakers, cineasts and critics. In this age of globalization, as films cross national boundaries, each country, each region and each language brings out some special nuance which touches the human heart. Amidst the pursuit of artistic excellence and the need to reach out to the widest audience, the filmmakers work hard to create a magic which transcends both time and space. Behind the tinsel and glamour is the tireless work of artists, technicians, writers, musicians, stuntmen and women, makeup artists, dancers and many more, as well as distributors, exhibitors, financiers and promoters.